In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Todoist project. If you've been collaborating on a shared project in Todoist and you no longer need access to it, leaving that project is a simple way to clean up your workspace and reduce distractions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly what to look for and what to click, so you can confidently remove yourself from a project without accidentally deleting anything for other people. First, make sure that the project you want to leave is actually a collaboration project, not one of your personal projects. Collaboration projects are the ones that are shared with other people. In the Todoist app or on the web, open the project from your project list on the left-hand side. When the project opens, you should see other members listed somewhere in the project view, depending on your layout. That's a good sign you're in a shared project. If it's only you in the project, you won't see an option to leave. In that case, you would delete or archive it instead, which is a different process and can affect your data. Once you've confirmed that you're in the correct shared project, look for the three vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. This is usually located near the top right corner of the project view, close to the project name. Take a moment to hover your mouse or tap around that area if you're on a mobile device. You should see a small icon with three dots that opens a menu of actions related to this project. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options such as editing the project, changing its color, managing members, and more. In this list, look for the option labeled Leave Project, or simply Leave. This is the action that removes your access to the project without deleting it for other collaborators. Click on Leave. Todoist may show a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to leave the project. This is your last chance to double check that you've selected the right project, especially if you're part of several similar ones. Confirm your choice. Once you confirm, you'll be removed from the project. It will disappear from your project list and you'll no longer receive notifications or see its tasks. The project itself will remain intact for everyone else who's still a member. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly leave any Todoist collaboration project and keep your workspace focused on the projects that matter most to you.